Healthcare providers in Tanzania have called upon the government to boost in vitro fertility research in order to understand the scope of infertility challenges in the country. The cost of IVF treatment and the stigma attached to infertility are also concerns. CGTN's Daniel Kijo has more.
These sperm cells are being analyzed in a lab. If healthy enough, they'll be combined with an ovum to make a baby.
IVF is like an artificial procedure that aim to assist or to help those couples who can have a natural conception. They have a problem in struggling having a baby. So this procedure, it's a global way that came to assist them.
Some studies show that infertility in Africa ranges from around 10 to 30% of couples in Africa. This new IVF facility, with the capacity to host at least 1,000 patients a year, is one of a handful in Tanzania.
Even though we don't have exact statistics for Tanzania, but research has been done here and there, and in every 10 couples, at least 3 are suffering from infertility.
So far, 600 women from within and outside the country have accessed services here. 75% of women able to have babies through IVF.
Huduma kama hizi zinaendana na dhamira ya serikali zetu.
Such services are commensurate with the government's goal of improving health services in the country and being able to strengthen medical tourism so that people from other countries can come here to access services.
With IVF costing between $15,000 to $30,000 in places like the United States, the facility's management is hoping to attract many foreign patients through lower prices. For most low-income Tanzanians, the $8,000 cost for one IVF cycle is too high. IVF hospitals in the country are calling for insurance companies to cover the treatment for those who need it most. Even if that happens, it will be a while before IVF services become mainstream. The government says over the next 5 years, it plans to research more about fertility. With more data, medication and facilities, it hopes to give locals and foreigners alike a chance to experience the joy of childbearing. Daniel Kijo, CGTN, Dar es Salaam.